Shall we learn integer subtraction today? Yeah. So let's look at these problems. How do we subtract two integers? I have negative 12 from 20 as my question. So it mentioned from positive 20. So which comes first is positive 20 comes first. And what is the symbol I have to give? Subtract negative 12. So this is my question. You can get a question like this, or you can get the same question like this. Okay, either they will give a bracket or sometimes they won't give a bracket. So the question may be like this or it can be like this. So you have to understand, if the question is negative 12 from positive 20, which number you have to write first is from what is a number is comes first, and the symbol is subtraction and the first number. Okay, now this I am going to solve. Positive 20 I will write as such. Now I will look at the symbol of this 2. What is these two symbol? This is negative, this is negative. Two negatives becomes positive. Two negatives, positive. And what is left here? It is 12. So here I have positive 20 plus 12. Now I will be looking at this symbol, and what is the symbol here? So these two are positive. When I have these two are positive, what I am going to do? I will be adding these two numbers and giving the symbol. Symbol is going to be positive 20 plus 12 is 32. So you will have a thinking that okay, it's a subtraction here, why did we add this? It is only because we have changed these symbols. We have identified two negatives becomes a positive, and now if you just look at these two, it's going to be the same symbol, and that's why we have added here. So this is what I get when I subtract negative 12 from positive 20. So question can be like this or can be like this. Now positive 16 from negative 22. So how do another question comes? It is negative 22 minus positive 16. Your question can be like this. Okay, it can be like this or can be like this. So this I will be, if I get a question like this, I will be writing from negative 22 should be the first one. Negative 22 I write first. Subtract positive 16. So negative 22 minus positive 16, which will be negative 22. You write as such. Look at these two symbols, a negative and a positive. Negative and positive becomes negative, right? Negative positive become negative, and the remaining 16 I have written. Now next I will be checking these two symbols. Are they same? Yes, these two symbols are same. Both are negative. When these two symbols are same, I am going to add these two numbers and put this symbol. So the symbol is negative, and I am going to add 22 plus 16, which will be 38. So the answer is negative 38. Next, look at this number. So negative 14 from negative 12. Question can be negative 12 minus negative 14. You can get a question like this or like this. So two ways they can ask the question. Either the question is like this or the question is like this. So if I have this from negative 12, I have to write first minus negative 14. So as both the numbers are negative, just put a bracket so that you don't forget there is a negative symbol here. This is equal to negative 12, you write as it is. Here it is negative and negative. Two negative symbols become positive. This becomes positive. A negative here and a positive here. Then the remaining 14 I have written. Now what will you look? This symbol and this symbol. These two symbols, are they same? No, they are different. Now if you have a different symbols coming like this, you will be looking at the numbers, just the numbers, and which is the bigger number. You identify the bigger number. Here I have 12 and 14. So which is bigger? 14. So 14 is the bigger number out of these two. And you will be looking at the symbol of that bigger number. So 14 is bigger and the symbol is positive. So my answer should have that symbol, the bigger number symbol. Now I am going to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So 14 minus 12 is 2. So I get an answer positive 2. So this is how we do subtraction. So even if it is subtraction, we are going to check the symbol, resolve this what is going to come with these two symbols, and the next what we'll be looking is what is the symbol of the first number, what is the symbol of the second number. So there are two checks. One is here. Once after you check these two symbols, next symbol check is what is coming on the first number, what is coming on the second number. Accordingly, you have to do this addition or subtraction, whatever you have to do here. I hope you understood all these concepts. So be clear with these concepts and do integer subtraction. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.